Spell it. Wapa. Hat. Your A. Ha. Hebe. Nighttime. Your eyes, your E sound. We do. We do. You stretch that E sound. Your O sound. She toja. Wolf. She toja. Wolf. Long vowel U. Nudu. Nudu. Long vowel U. Summer. I can't say nudu. It doesn't sound right in our language. It you have to stretch that long vowel. Nudu. That's how you differentiate the sounds.